Welcome, today I'm Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. First we should just find the Tools application and launch screen recorder app. Just click here once, and to open the settings, click here on the settings icon and you will launch by this way video quality. The screen recorder settings, and just you can change here video quality from 16 to 24, 32 or 50 or 100 megabits per second. So by this way you can change video quality on your in your screen recordings. Also you can make it by the second way. Just first you should find open notification panel, and here you should find screen recording icon. In my case it's here because I added before. If you have now the screen recorder icon here on the notification panel, just click on the edit icon and you will find this icon here. Just click to the plus to add it, tap to done, and after that just hold for a while this icon and you will launch the same screen recorder settings, and you can change video quality of your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.